Hello friends and welcome to my channel Instant Nerd. Today we will learn how to use AI to break down tax filing instructions. First of all, open your browser and make sure that you are logged into your ChatGPT account. Now type in the prompt. I have a digital marketing agency. I want to know what kind of taxes I will be paying in USA. My yearly income will fall under $100,000 and hit enter. Here ChatGPT will help you out to determine these things: federal income tax, self-employment tax, state income tax. Also, ChatGPT has given me an example over here. Here is the example for partnership or multi-member LLC. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel.